Today my son's going to make scrambled eggs. So first step, if you crack the egg into the bowl please. Good stuff, no eggshells as well, the perfect crack. And what you want to do is add a little bit of milk and give it a little whisk.
Whiskey.
That's it. Nice. Okay, so the quick way to do scrambled eggs, I think, is to pop it in the microwave. So if we can do that now, put it on option 1. So every 30 seconds we want to check it. Okay, so if we take the fork, and then if we just take it out, so we can see it starting to scramble. So you just want to sort of like just do this. Just a little bit, just to, and you can see very slowly it will start to form together. Right, so what's another good little tip is we can see we've got some liquid at the bottom there. So if we just drain the scrambled eggs, let's give a little bit of a shake, and there we have it. Lovely scrambled eggs. So should you put it onto your, well, butter your toast and then put the scrambled eggs on it?
Yeah.
Okay, and give your butter a spread. So my son is not gluten-free, so this is homemade gluten bread. So we actually have 2 bread makers. So I'm hopefully going to do a video about the bread, how we make them, how we store them, because we've got a bit of a dual kitchen here. But the bread is lovely, isn't it?
Mhm.
Oh, look at that. Well done, you made that.